Once you receive your RE3 pack, place both ICECORE blankets into your freezer and allow them to freeze overnight. Each RE3 pack includes 2 ICECORE blankets, allowing an easy rotation, so you'll always have one ready when you need it. Ensure your freezer is set to -18 degrees for optimal treatment. When storing your ICECORE blankets, always lay them flat, away from freezer items, particularly sharp or heavy objects that could damage the pockets. When properly frozen, the ICECORE blankets should appear milky white but remain malleable. Before use, allow the ICECORE blanket to sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then insert it securely inside of your RE3 brace and take it to your resting area. Position the brace over your knee, securing the middle strap over your kneecap first. Then fasten the top and bottom straps to secure the fit. When applying the RE3 brace, make sure there are no gaps or air pockets between the brace and your knee. Straps are secured firmly but comfortably. Compression is even across the knee. If not, you may need to leave your ICECORE blanket out longer. Never apply the RE3 pack directly to bare skin. Always use a Tubigrip or light towel between your skin and the pack to avoid cold burns or frostbite. If you have circulatory issues or reduced sensitivity, consult your doctor before using RE3.